Your dentist doesn't want you to know this. I'm about to show you something that's been hiding in plain sight for decades, and it's going to completely change how you think about those notches at the base of your teeth. Most people assume they need expensive procedures, or just accept them as permanent damage, but the truth is very different. Those notches are not what you've been told, and once you understand what's actually happening, you'll realize they can improve much faster than you ever expected, without jumping straight into costly treatments that most people believe are their only option. And the reason this matters so much is because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You begin to notice how small, daily habits, things that feel completely harmless, quietly shape long-term outcomes without ever feeling urgent or dangerous in the moment. That's how this problem grows, and that's why most people don't catch it early. And by the time they do notice it, the pattern has already been repeating for months or even years without interruption. Before anything else, you need to understand what's really going on inside your mouth, because once you understand the mechanism, everything starts to make sense. Those notches, often called cervical abrasion, are not permanent destruction like cavities, and they are not simply irreversible damage. Instead, they are the result of a repeated cycle, and that cycle is what matters most, because anything created by repetition can be changed by interrupting that repetition. Most people never think in terms of patterns when it comes to health. They look at the result and assume the damage is final, but results are always the outcome of repeated behaviors. If the behavior changes, the result changes over time, and this is exactly where your control comes from. Once you stop focusing only on the visible problem and start focusing on the invisible habits that created it, everything begins to shift. Here's where most people misunderstand the entire situation, and this is where the real mistake happens. They believe brushing is the main cause, but brushing alone is not the real problem. The real issue is timing. When your mouth becomes acidic from things like coffee, soda, citrus foods, or even internal acid from reflux, your enamel temporarily softens and becomes more vulnerable than normal. During this window, your teeth are not at full strength, and if you brush your teeth at that exact time, you're not just cleaning them, you are slowly removing softened enamel layer by layer without even realizing it. This is not something that happens once or twice. This is something that happens repeatedly, and repetition is what creates visible change. The more often this cycle repeats, the more enamel is gradually removed, and over time, that removal becomes noticeable. What makes this even more dangerous is that it doesn't feel harmful in the moment. There is no pain, no warning sign, no clear signal telling you to stop. So the behavior continues. It builds slowly over time, almost invisibly. Day after day, week after week, the same cycle repeats. Acid weakens enamel, brushing removes it, and eventually those notches begin to appear. They seem random, like something just happened suddenly, but they are actually the result of consistent habits that most people repeat automatically without questioning them or understanding their long-term impact. And this is how small, harmless-feeling behaviors create results that seem confusing later on. The problem is not intensity, the problem is consistency. Now here's the part that changes everything, and honestly, this is what most people has never been clearly told. Your enamel actually has the ability to remineralize. That means your body can naturally rebuild and repair early damage when the conditions are right. Your saliva already contains the minerals needed for this process, including calcium and phosphate, and your body is constantly trying to maintain balance inside your mouth. The problem is not that your body cannot repair your teeth. The real problem is that your daily habits are constantly interrupting that repair process before it has a chance to work properly and consistently. So instead of healing, your teeth stay stuck in a continuous cycle where damage keeps happening faster than repair, and over time that imbalance becomes visible. So, instead of thinking about this as damage that needs to be fixed externally, you need to start thinking about it as a system that needs to be reset. Because when the environment changes, the outcome changes. And this is where the 48-hour reset becomes powerful. Not because it's a trick, but because it finally gives your body the conditions it needs to start working correctly again. It creates a window where damage slows down and repair speeds up, and that shift alone is what begins the transformation. The first part of this reset is stopping the damage immediately. For the next 48 hours, you reduce acid exposure as much as possible. That means avoiding soda, energy drinks, citrus-heavy foods, and vinegar-based items. This is not a permanent restriction. It is a short reset, designed to give your enamel a break from constant acid exposure. During this time, your saliva finally has the chance to do its job, neutralizing acid and beginning the repair process without interruption. This alone creates a noticeable difference in how your mouth feels, because for the first time in a long time, the environment is no longer working against you. The second part is timing your brushing correctly. After eating or drinking anything, you wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. This allows your enamel to re-harden naturally. Most people brush immediately thinking they're doing the right thing, but they're actually brushing during the most vulnerable window. Changing this one habit alone can prevent further damage from happening again and again. It's simple, but it's powerful, because it removes one of the biggest causes of ongoing enamel loss. The third part is adjusting your brushing technique. You switch to an ultra-soft toothbrush and reduce pressure. Think of it as guiding the brush rather than scrubbing aggressively. Most people use more force than necessary, and over time, that force contributes to the problem. Gentle brushing is not less effective, it's more controlled, more protective, and far more aligned with what your teeth actually need to stay strong over time. Once you stop the damage, the next step is supporting repair, and this is where things begin to shift in a noticeable way. This is where remineralization becomes highly effective. Using a toothpaste with hydroxyapatite or calcium-based compounds gives your enamel the building blocks it needs to rebuild. Applying it directly to the affected areas and allowing it to sit for a few minutes increases its effectiveness and supports faster recovery. At the same time, increasing saliva flow supports the process even more. Drinking water, staying hydrated, and chewing sugar-free gum all help your body accelerate its natural repair system. Now here's what actually happens when you follow this correctly. In the first 48 hours, the notch doesn't disappear completely, but something subtle begins to change. The surface starts to feel smoother. The sharpness reduces. That's because remineralization has already started at a microscopic level. You may not see it fully yet, but the process has begun, and once it begins, consistency is what allows it to continue. Over the following weeks, the improvement becomes more visible. With consistent habits, the difference becomes noticeable, not just to you, but to others as well. The key is not speed, it is consistency. Your body is already designed to repair this kind of damage. You just need to stop interfering with the process and start supporting it instead. That shift is what creates long-term change. Most people never learn this because they focus only on treatment instead of understanding the cause. But once you understand the mechanism, everything changes. You stop guessing, you stop reacting late, you start acting earlier, and that shift is what gives you control, not just over this problem, but over your health as a whole. And this is where everything connects, because the same principle applies everywhere. If people click, watch, stay, and engage, you win. If not, the video disappears, and your health works the same way. If you notice early, respond early, and adjust early, you stay in control. If you ignore the signals, the situation can escalate before you even realize it. That's how small problems become big ones, and that's why awareness matters so much. So instead of waiting for something to feel serious before taking it seriously, you shift your awareness earlier. You act earlier. You stay aware earlier, because the earlier you move, the easier it becomes to stay in control, and that is the difference between reacting and staying ahead. It's not about doing something extreme, it's about doing the right things at the right time, consistently. Right now, you have everything you need to implement the 48-hour protocol effectively. You know the exact cause of the problem, you understand the biological mechanism that creates it, you understand the remineralization mechanism that fixes it, and you know the precise steps to take. You know you need to eliminate acid exposure, wait 30 minutes after eating before brushing, use an ultra-soft toothbrush with gentle technique, apply hydroxyapatite paste 3 times daily, and increase saliva flow. That's the entire protocol. It's not complicated or expensive, it's not something that requires special equipment or professional intervention. It's just reversing the conditions that created the problem in the first place, and actively supporting your body's natural repair mechanisms. The notches you see when you smile, the ones that have made you self-conscious, the ones you thought would require expensive procedures, they can be fixed. Start today. Pick up a hydroxyapatite toothpaste from your local pharmacy or online, buy an ultra-soft toothbrush, eliminate acidic foods and beverages for 48 hours, and watch what happens to your teeth. Your mouth will thank you, and you'll understand why this information should have been given to you years ago. If this changed the way you think even slightly, don't just watch and move on, apply it in your daily routine. Stay consistent with these habits, stay aware of what your body is telling you, and most importantly, stay one step ahead. Because awareness is your greatest advantage when it comes to long-term health and preventing problems before they become serious. If this changed the way you think even slightly, don't just watch and move on. Apply it, stay consistent, stay aware, and most importantly stay one step ahead, because awareness is your greatest advantage when it comes to long-term health. The small changes you make today will shape the results you see tomorrow, and the earlier you begin, the easier it becomes to maintain those results.